crafty caboodle. Let's get crafty today.
Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. Today we are making these origami lips. This is a perfect little craft to do during Valentine's Day. It's so easy and you could have so much fun with it. All right, you guys, let's get started. All you need to get is origami paper. Now you want to get the paper that is solid color on one side and white on the other to make this work. All right, now that you picked out your color, what you want to do is you want to flip it over to the white side. You want to keep it on the solid side. So you're going to turn it into a diamond shape. You're going to take one end and bring it over and fold it. Okay, now it's a triangle shape. Now you want to fold these two over so they are the same. Okay, so that looks good. This one's touching this corner and this one is touching this corner. All right, so it kind of looks like an envelope. All right, now we're gonna bend the right side up. So now it's a triangle again. We're gonna do the same thing with this side. Bend it up to this corner right here and make sure everything is straight. All right, this is what it looks like so far. Now you're gonna do the same thing, bend this one down to this corner and make another triangle, just like that, and do the same thing to this side. So whatever we do to one side, we do to the other. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. Now we're gonna bend it again, but this time we're gonna bend it right here and move it across so it kind of looks like a weird triangle, like the one side is longer than the other. We're gonna do the same thing to this side. So bend it, and now you have kind of like these flaps that are on these sides. And what you're gonna do is you are gonna bend those little ones down so they are touching that tip right here. Mini triangle. You're gonna do the same thing to this side, bend it down, just like so. And now with all of your hard work, we're gonna take it apart. We need all of those creases for this step. Okay, so you're gonna turn it this way. So you have all of these creases right here. So at the very tip, what you're gonna do is you're gonna bend this corner that you created down like that. And now you're gonna take these creases and you're gonna push them down. And then you're gonna go ahead and create kind of like two creases right here. So this is what it looks like. Now you're gonna do the same thing to this side. Go ahead and fold that little triangle. And this is the tricky part. So you're kind of gonna push these two creases down and crease it right in the middle right here. It kind of looks like a paper airplane. Okay, now that you have these two sides, we're gonna flip this over to the solid side. Okay, you're gonna pinch the two sides. So this is what you have. And then it kind of looks like a bird or like a little bowl. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna fold this on top with the other side. And this is what it looks like. So now you have two little triangles sticking out, which you want. All right, now you're gonna take this very tip right here and you're gonna bring it down so it lines up with these two. And you're gonna go ahead and just fold it. And now you're gonna just remove this red because you don't want that showing through. And that's okay if you have a little bit red, that's fine. And do the same thing to this side. And go ahead and put that up. Just remove some of that red. And it does not have to be perfect, you guys. All right, this is the final step. So you take one side and you take the other side. And now you have lips. It's like a mouth opening up and shutting. Mwah! This is such a perfect little craft for Valentine's Day. I love the little lips and you can talk with them. Create like fun little videos. This is so cute. Of course, you can do different colors. We've got like green, yellow. Here's the one with like pink glitter on them. And there you have it, our origami lips. I hope you guys found this very helpful. And of course, until next time, happy Valentine's Day.